Hi, it's Brian Decker. Hope you're having a great week. Wanted to talk to you about 5 things that you should remember regarding your estate documents. We'll go through these pretty quickly. It's a lot of information. One is to keep your documents updated. Life happens. With your estate documents, you've got to update things such as divorce, death, remarriage, beneficiary changes. Those changes need to be updated when they happen in your estate documents. Next is addressing digital assets, things like, photographs, emails that are important. If someone is a writer, some of their very important things that are important to them, where those things are. And also if you've got digital assets, cryptos, non-fungible tokens, those can be lost if you don't provide your heirs a way to access those assets. So people should make sure that beneficiaries know how to access those account private keys, secret numbers, to access wallets. One caveat, and this is very important, the private keys and sensitive information shouldn't be included in a will, because a will goes public through the probate process, and that puts all those assets at risk. But the information on how to access digital assets, online photos, etc., cryptos, non-fungible assets, can be put in as a separate note for beneficiaries. Number 3, assign personal property in advance. So most people assume that their heirs will figure it out. No, this is probably the most important thing I can tell you. The number one reason that your beneficiaries may never speak to each other again is right here. Make sure that you tell clearly how you want those assets separated in advance. So for example, there was a mother who left a collection of hundreds of porcelain dolls, 3 daughters. They had to hire a professional mediator to draw straws until all the dolls were distributed. Had the mothers made a personal property list before she died, that could have been avoided. Number 4, leave good notes. Estate planning experts advise people to have good notes so that assets go where they are supposed to, bills are paid like they're supposed to. Any extra information is helpful. And number 5, strive for conflict avoidance. If you've got 3 kids, do you choose one as executor, or do you have all 3, so that may be appropriate to avoid problems with trust and access issues? So it's Brian Decker. I hope you have a great week.